Senator Aubin Hill said that spending $234 million Jamaican dollars to repay the producers of the Bob Marley movie makes sense. He talked about it at a meeting where people asked questions about the money. He explained that the movie brought a lot of good things to Jamaica. For example, it gave jobs to 1,800 people for 6 months, including 400 people who worked directly on the movie. Plus, the producers fixed up a couple of schools in Trench Town. Senator Hill said the government gave the producers a rebate of $1.5 million to encourage them to film in Jamaica. If they had chosen to film somewhere else, Jamaica would have missed out on all those benefits. He thinks it's important that the movie was mostly made in Jamaica because it's about Bob Marley, and it gives Jamaica a big reputation boost. He also mentioned that Paramount, the company making the movie, is now more interested in making films in Jamaica. Senator Hill wants people to see this spending as an investment, not just money going out the door. He thinks it's a smart use of money. The bill from Paramount hasn't been sent yet because the government needs to see audited numbers and invoices first. Now let's break it down. What is a rebate? A rebate is a partial refund or discount given to someone after they have paid the full price for something. In the context of the Bob Marley movie production, the government offered the producers a rebate of $1.5 million. This means that after the producers spent money on making the movie in Jamaica, the government would give them back a portion of that money as an incentive or encouragement to continue filming in Jamaica. Essentially, it's like a reward or compensation for choosing Jamaica as the location for the movie. If the government did not pay the rebate, then the producer would film in Trinidad and Tobago or the Dominican Republic, where it is probably cheaper to shoot in those islands. Remember, the movie is about Bob Marley, who is a Jamaican by birth. So, the government had to agree to a rebate in order for the movie to be shot in Jamaica, because by offering the rebate, the government was trying to persuade the producers to keep the filming in Jamaica and ensure that the country could enjoy the advantages of hosting the production. $234 million Jamaican dollars, which is $1.5 million repay the producers of the Bob Marley One Love movie.